Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm here with Dina again, and we are on another grandma adventure. So this time we are in Joshua Tree. We are at the Joshua Tree Palm Springs KOA. We are doing something we've never done before. Right. So we're gonna be camping in our cars. I've been camping before, she's been camping before. We've camped in tents, I've camped in a trailer, but never in the back of my car. Let me show you guys. This is where I'm gonna sleep. I made my own bed. I got one of my grandson's old crib mattresses and I put it up on top there. Then right here on the bottom, I put a big pillow that I have. Got my ice chest. I got more little knickknacks here in the bag. My suitcase, my toiletry bag, blankets and stuff. And this is where I'm gonna sleep. I've never stayed in my car before. It's crazy. So that's my car right there. Then right in between us, we have a little picnic table, some little lamps that Dina bought. I brought an umbrella from home. And then my next door neighbor here is Dina. That is her car. Our cars are almost identical. And this is where she's gonna sleep. She has her little fan over there. Look at her, how cute. And she has one of those SUV mattresses, blow-up mattresses. So that's where she's gonna be sleeping tonight. We're excited because we've never done this before, huh, Dina?
I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
So far, so good.
Yeah, it's nice
so
here.
pretty.
Yeah, very nice here.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you around in a little bit. So this is what it looks like, you guys, and the weather is just gorgeous. It's 81 degrees, but it's really windy, so it doesn't feel too hot. There's my car, and there's Dina's car. That's our little campsite. We're excited. So if you're wondering why we came all the way over here to camp out, it's because we're gonna go hiking. We're gonna do 2 days of hiking, 3 days of hiking, right Dina? 3?
Yes.
3 days of hiking. So we decided to come all the way over here, camp out, and then go hike. But today we're gonna go explore Palm Springs and go grab something to eat right now. So I'm ready. Had a long drive, so I'm hungry. You ready, Dina?
Yep.
All right,
Ready.
let's go.
Mexican food?
Mexican food. We're gonna burn it off tomorrow. So it's been a couple of hours already since we went to go eat, but we came back to the campground. We organized our cars and put all our stuff away and organized our backpack for tomorrow. Our plan is to hike a 12.5 mile trail tomorrow. We're gonna do part of the PCT. I'm so excited. So hopefully it's not too hot for us and we complete it. But for now, we're gonna go walk around the campground and show you guys what it looks like. So this here is the laundromat. On the other side, right down that little hall, is where the showers and the toilets are at. And then we have some picnic tables, and then just right across the street, our vehicles are right there. We're really close to the bathroom, so it's really, really nice. We got lucky to be so close to the bathrooms. Look how pretty the mountains look up there. So pretty. So on this side, it's for tents, and they have a little kitchen area right there. And all these tents are over here.
I think they have like air conditioning and heating.
Check these out, you guys. So Dina says these are glamping tents. I have no idea because I've never heard of a glamping tent, but they look pretty darn cool.
I'm sure we can find a picture of them online. But they usually come with like your bed and all your stuff inside already. So you just kind of show up with your car And then you go in and then your tent's already ready.
That is so awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So this one's a smaller one and it looks like it's open on the side. Like that little cover is lowered. So I'm gonna try to peek in there and hopefully hopefully no one's in there. I get in trouble. Can't reach. Anyway. That's the only way I'll be able to see what was in there because I can't reach. So I was kind of iffy about staying here in my car. I just didn't know what to expect or anything because I've never really slept in my car at a campsite like this. But it's been really nice. I mean, everybody's kept to themselves. There are a lot of families with kids and stuff, but no issues at all. Everybody seems nice. Everybody stays to themselves, and it seems really, really safe, right, Dina? Mm-hmm. It feels really safe anyway. So we're just walking around, just looking. We're gonna go try to find the swimming pool because they have a swimming pool. Then they have a bunch of games you can play towards the front of the park. They have miniature golf, they have cornhole. They also have some bikes by the office, but I don't know if you have to rent those or if they are included. So we're gonna go check that out. They have a pretty good sized swimming pool. They got a nice little doggy area. I think they have two, I'm not sure. And they have miniature golf. How cool. So we got some tennis courts and we got some basketball courts right over on that side. This is so cool. So that was a nice little walk that we went on right now. And it's 73 degrees out here. And the breeze is just so nice. So I'm hoping it's like this tomorrow, nice and breezy when we go on our hike, because I think it's gonna get up to like 80 or 81 again, so. And 12.5 miles is a long way to hike. And Dina, what were you saying?
What did I say?
Should we get our margarita?
Oh yeah, should we go and get our margarita?
Oh yeah, we heard some people say they're gonna have some margaritas and brownies, and we said, yep, we'll be right back. So we might go hit them up for some margaritas and brownies. Make some friends. So we're sitting here, relaxing, enjoying ourselves. We got little
Food lighting.
Lights going on up there, and we were so happy because we were so lonely all by ourselves, and now I got some neighbors. And she doesn't.
Yep. I'm feeling good though.
Got some people that came and parked right next to my car. So far they've been very quiet, so I think we're gonna go to sleep because we gotta get up early, right?
Yeah, what time are we going to
I don't know. Alright guys, so here I am in my home for the night. The back of my car. It's actually really comfortable. Check this out.
Being that we're married to professional athletes, we understand it's not over till it's over, and that's one of the big things my husband's always telling me.
It's so comfortable. I'm gonna sleep so good. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on that little bell, and stay tuned for the hikes. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.